Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Moroney, and this year I'll be teaching English 1 Advanced Honors and AP Capstone Research. My room is located at the end of the main hallway in room 104. I know it's been an extraordinary year so far, and there's a lot of uncertainty as to how we'll be starting the year, whether it's brick and mortar or e-learning. Either way, I put together some things that'll help us get started. Here's a PowerPoint. Feel free to stop at any time and take notes. And I hope to see you in person very soon. I hope you had a great summer, and I'm looking forward to a great year. Thanks. Here's a little bit about myself. I graduated from Plant High, began teaching here in 2006. My background is in secondary English education with a master's in ed leadership. In my spare time, I enjoy reading, biking, walking, and exploring new things. I come from a large extended family, and I have two new beautiful grandsons. This year, my schedule consists of 4 English 1 Advanced Honors classes and 2 AP Capstone Research classes. First, I'll begin with English 1 Advanced Honors. In this course, you will experience an enriched and accelerated introduction to literature through a variety of coming-of-age themes. You will also enhance your writing skills as we move through the process of responding critically to the literature covered. This year, our district is transitioning from Edsby to Canvas as our comprehensive digital platform. Students and parents can reach me through Canvas and our school email. I will communicate important notifications through the Remind app. Some coursework will require the use of Office 365 and submission to turn it in. Our study of literary works include the following genres: short stories, drama, poetry, and novels. And you'll see your course materials on the right-hand side. Next is AP Capstone Research. As you know, Research Follows Seminar is the second course in the AP Capstone program. In this brief overview, you can see that during the course of the year, students will use a variety of methods to enhance their research skills, culminating with the College Board AP exam, which is the academic paper and presentation with an oral defense. Communication will be through Canvas, Turnitin for our academic paper, College Board for submission of the digital portfolio, and Office 365 via OneDrive for class assignments. Your supply list is on the right-hand side. I do have one request. Typically, this happens at the end of seminar as a summer assignment, but I need you to begin thinking about a topic or question that you wish to research this year. Try to come into class or begin our course with this in mind. It accelerates your time and what literature you take a look at. So, hope to see you soon. Take care.